Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card into this phone. First we need to lock the screen on our phone, so we can press the power button to lock the screen. Now we need to find the SIM card tray on our phone, or SIM card slot. And on this phone it's located right here at the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. Here we have it. And on the SIM card tray we have this small hole, and you will need some kind of pin. Usually you will have the SIM card tool coming with your phone. It looks something like this. Basically it helps you to open this tray. So once you have the SIM card tool or some kind of pin that fits this hole, insert the tool or pin into this hole, then push it in, and once you push it in, the tray will pop out. And once it does, you can remove the tool and take out the tray like this. Okay, and here we have our SIM card tray. We have the SIM slot number 1 and SIM slot number 2 on the other side. Now let's take our SIM card. This is the, I believe, nano size SIM card. We need to place it on a tray, and it only fits one way. Basically you have the cutout of the SIM card. You can place it on the tray only one way, like this. And once you place it on a tray, it should be stuck on it quite firmly. It won't fall off. Okay? So we have our SIM card on the tray. We can now pick up our phone and insert the tray into our phone. Make sure that you align the tray correctly. Basically, you need to align this hole with this hole right here. Insert the tray slowly, and once you push it in completely, you will see that it's flat on your phone. You can wake up the screen on your phone, and your phone should detect the SIM card. And as you can see here, the SIM card is detected. Okay. And that's how you insert the SIM card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.